Hi, today we are going to see insert statement. So basically, insert statement will insert data into one table. So before moving into insert statement, let me create one dummy table. Okay, as that's where 1 equal to 2. So in this query, here 1 equal to 2. This condition not satisfied. So data not updating, only structure will copy. For example, here, okay, 0 rows selected. Here I am selecting in this table. Okay, so no rows returned. Okay, so insert statement. There are many ways we can insert data. First, I am selecting in this table. For here we have 200 rows. I am inserting all rows into this table. This is one way. Insert into this table. Here I am selecting in this all value and inserting it to after underscore temp. Okay, here 200 values are inserted with okay, here you can see all 200 values. Suppose I am going to insert all 4 values. So here not required any column names we have to mention. Suppose I want to insert only mandatory columns actor ID and actor first name. These 2 columns not mandatory. So here you can insert into this table. I want only 2 columns. For example, actor underscore ID and name. Here values column ID is okay. So here 200 I am mentioning 201 next value, and the first name I am mentioning here some dummy XXX. That's all. Okay, so value inserted. We have to check this value inserted or not. Previously the record is 200, now 201. Here you can see only 2 column inserted. Here last name and first last name and last updated date is null. Okay, so here not required any column values. So I am mentioning here itself null. If you are not mentioning any column name in nearby table, you have to pass all the values, otherwise you will get error. Okay, suppose I mention 202. The value inserted. Now we will get 202 records. Okay, 202. Same values. Now without mentioning, I am passing only 3 variables, but in table 4. Then the first value will take it here, right? Incomplete value. Uh, Next in this table, I am mentioning only 5 columns. That 5 column value inserting into table. This is also one way. And all the columns you have to mention here. That is as one way. And only 2 rows or 3 rows. Based on that, if you are mentioning only one row, you will get error. Sometimes based on the primary key, you will get error. Okay, so in further videos, we will get all the SQL comments. Thank you.